How to add music on your Snapchat story. In this short video I'm going to show you how you're able to add music to your Snapchat story. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so of course open up the Snapchat app on your mobile device, and then once you're in here, as you know, if you want to take a photo and post it to your story, what you do is just press on the big photo button in the bottom. Now, once you're happy with that photo that you've just taken, you can add in captions, you can add in stickers. There's also the option on the right here to add in music. So just tap on that, the music note icon. And here you can just go through and you can browse, you can search artists and sounds. There's featured artists and sounds that you could use. You just scroll through and say, for example, I wanted to add the theme music from Peppa Pig. I'll just tap on that one, and if I'm happy with it, I just tap on the tick button, and then I just continue on and post this story in the usual way. And that's what it takes to add music on your Snapchat story. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.